Welcome back everyone. In today's video, I want to show you the new update from Google where you can now enable dark theme for your Google search page. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button as it really helps the analytics of this video. So Google recently introduced this settings for its Google search page. However, do remember that this will only affect the Google search page. Other pages like Gmail, bbc.com or Facebook won't be affected. So on your Google Chrome browser, open up google.com. Now search for anything and press enter. On the search result, click on the gear symbol at the top right. Then select Search Settings. Now from this page, select Appearance from the left hand side. Then select Dark Theme. If you have a PC or a MacBook or an iMac, select it to Dark Theme in the settings itself, then you can use Device Default. Press Save and continue to search on Google Search. This will then enable the dark theme for your Google search page only. And that is how to enable dark theme on your Google search page. My name is Karthik and you're watching Simple Dad. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.